little higher off the trailer.
Copy that. Moving left now, watch the wingtip. Bring it down just a few more inches. Copy that. Okay, we're clear. Set it down. See the scoring here on the journals. We'll definitely need to polish this before reassembly.
Okay, one more click on this one.
Put it down to specification now. She's absolutely perfect, ready for the reinstall.
What about the oil pressure line right here? All set, let's get her mounted.
There it is, right there, cluster weld. Got it, got it. Looks like a clean hairline. Inspection complete. As far as the sound, no dry rot detected. Make sure you follow the grain right here. We don't want any wrinkles when we apply the domain.
Okay, I see it now.
That looks perfect.
Check the alignment.
Within tolerance. The reinforcement held up well.
A little lower on the left side.
Okay, steady now. What's the line?
All right, drop it slowly.
Hold it steady. What's the clearance on the right side? Clear, right. Bring it down slowly now. Perfect. Get the pins in. Lower it steady. Watch the clearance.
Let's get up here.
All right, she's seated. Pass me the bolt. That's the last bolt for the mount.
Reaching torque now.
Good click. Looks solid. That's showing green. Final click. All right, verified. Secure the pin. All right, applying the final torque now. Reading across the board. Perfect. Hub is secured. All right, try the front bolt now.
Looks aligned, it's threading smoothly.
Tap it in. Make sure it's secure.